Hey, hello scrappers. Well, I think I've got 15 of these ACRs, and then let's see, over here on the drill press, which is right back in there, I have a real small radiator that came out of there, but it's totally aluminum. So I got my clamping sawhorse out here, and I like using that. It holds them pretty stable while I cut the noodles off. And I put a tarp down. First time I'm trying that, but see if it'll contain, over 90% of the noodles. That way all I have to do when I get done is move the clamping sawhorse out of the way and maybe kind of pick up corners or whatever and kind of shift everything to the center and then make it easy to pick them up. So we'll give that a try. So try to get you zoomed in a little bit on that one, and we'll take it away. sure this thing's still recording. Hard to see. Okay, that didn't take too long. And now for the cleanup. Time to clean all the noodles up. I might go ahead and pull the scale out and try to get a weight on all those. Of course, I don't know. Okay, the noodles are cleaned up. So let's see how much we got in the weight. 6.6 pounds, 10 ounces. Okay, we're going to take off about 3 ounces, so almost 6.5 pounds right there. 18, 19 bucks. That's not bad. Just right there in noodles. Okay, we're going to start stacking these ACRs on the scale and see what kind of weight we got. The scale goes up to 440 pounds, something like that. I don't think we're going to exceed the limit on the scale. Got a few more to go. Here's the last 2. There we go. So we have 6.5 pounds of noodles, and we got 75 pounds, 7 ounces of ACRs. And what do they go for? I didn't really look it up, but I know they're above $1 a pound, maybe around $1.50 a pound. I'm not sure. So we got at least $75 right there. So, and almost $20 in noodles. So not too bad for a couple hours work. Yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. I'll show you what I was up to yesterday, and if you want to cut out of here, go right ahead, and happy scrapping, folks. And by the way, this scale here is on my Amazon affiliate page. That sawhorse clamp, that's on my Amazon affiliate page. It's kind of pricey, but yeah, it's been worth it for those and a few other items. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, it's Monday. Saturday I took the boat out, a little gunboat out. See how it did. It did okay. A little 2-horse pushed it about 4 miles an hour. You see what I've been up to yesterday. Sold 15 barrels yesterday. About $150 a day. So I got out here doing a bunch of cutting the tops out and got a bunch of draining. So I got some right there, some back there on the trailer, which my pile out front is pretty full right now, but what I do, I'll try to get ahead and get a bunch cut out and store it on that trailer. And I got white ones over here, yeah, and I got some right here in front of the shop. So these have been draining all night, so I'm gonna get all the top ones off of here and get them on that trailer, and then we'll go from there. And then I'll get some of these others tipped up and get them draining all day and overnight tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye bye.